my name is Mitembo. Yeah, and you know why they say Mitembo, Suubi, why it combines both of us, I don't know, but I'm here to read the book. I'll tell you what's in it.
So what are you making?
I'm making the shovel.
The shovel. What's this in the cup?
It's salt water, but it's also, but in Uganda it's called
I forgot.
It's Isura, I remember. Look how big it is. It's not supposed to be this right. The day it was actually gear first. It had to know. Should I pour some water? Ringa.
Jacolia, it's getting white and white.
You
Yeah.
should have done this in the village.
In the village? Yeah, they do it in the village. A lot. Can I ever take it?
Kind of looks like fridge.
Now it looks like porridge because of the salt. We have to keep mingling as we add the water. So we're going to add plain water without salt.
Ooh.
You have to be careful. What did you say?
Since it looks like fridge, I feel like it would be like that.
It's not yet ready. Almost ready.
Ooh, look how clear it looks. I like my skin.
Clear like your skin.
But the difference is the color. Okay, I've mingled a lot, so I've got shit on my hand. So I've mingled a lot, so I'm gonna
kati omuwala ayingira asookera mu bbaala anywa wamala okunywa ng'agenda mu ttooyi oyo omwami Eddi
each kind of
abadde yava ku mwenge gwali gumuyisa bubi n'aguvaako ng'omwaka gumu kitundu emabega naye abamulaba babadde bamanyi alina tempe embi
breaks down the beef.
avaako mangu
sikuba like alina tempe embi kigambibwa mbu omukono gwe mwangu okuba
omukono gwo nga gwo mukiga
gwanguya okuba omuntu oba okuyomba mangu naye waitress bamutya avaako mangu kati oyo omwami ng'avaayo agenda omuwala ng'ava mu ttooyi tetumanyi oba anti abase bagambye drink yabadde poisoned naye nga omanyi singa Kampala yaggwawo oyigira ebbaala ne baliwa shots tomanyi oba giraasi evaawo aba ne banywa kati ekyo kyosha tukimanyiiko wafuluma ng'akwata oyo omwana ng'amutwala mu ofiisi
Edward Mugabo
oyo ye Eddi ng'amutwala mu ofiisi wamutwala mu ofiisi kyetuwulira kamera ziraga nga bayingira ofiisi n'omuwala after some time Eddi alabibwa nga ajjadduka emisinde ebweru agamba omuwala akoze eki azirise
yes
kati tumanyi obaka kamera ez'omunda poliisi yazifunye kuba bagamba ensonga lwaki bagaddewo baagala baleete footage kuba katono waba akola mu accounts kizibu okuba nga teri kamera ya munda omwo
era mweri
baagala manya ki ekyalwaddewo oba omwana baasose mukozesa teri amanyi kyova Eddi bamututte munda kati Eddi wawogana waati awo muzenwa nga woolagidde bulungi Somero Road biki awo waliwo kitante eri wali Kampala hospital oba okimanyi nungi nnyo mu kuzaalisa eri kumpi awo kati nga bafuna ambulance nga omwana bamuteekamu nga bamutwala Kampala hospital okutuuka eri nga bampronouncinga date Wednesday night mbu mu history omwana yabadde drugs azikosa.
Bagamba mbu abadde akozesa drugs.
Abadde azikozesa drugs. Ne drugs za mirundi mingi, cocaine, bichika tetumanyi oba yabadde akozesa drugs. Ekya poisoning tusobola kiba suubira oba gyekiri. Era buli omwesira alitadde ku drugs. Naye nga ye n'abantu abamumanyi bagamba abadde akozesa nnyo ezo drugs. Kati mulimu n'okuwaayiriza kati mezono nga we badde baali nene. Ate naku zino kimanyi abaana tebakyakola bali ku ssente z'abazadde baabwe abasinga. Kati spending emitwalo 10 ku 10 grams tekiruma mwana nnyo kuziwaayo. Era kigambibwa oyo cocaine yali mu kutambula era abasinga bagitaddemu eyo complex. Ate waliwo ne story endala egamba mbu yafunye blood clot due to anxiety. Ate osoma okola n'okola Google your blood clot ejjanga either you're so excited you're so happy oba ng'onyiize nnyo.
Wano gumu 2 3 tuza ne wakajjawo bujjakyali wano. Wait. Nyinayo kamuko kake kazanya.
Iye.
Kati Shadraka ludde okusomera omumuzanya ssaawa mmeka? Ludde okusomera omumuzanya ssaawa mmeka?
So we had this work, eh? It was to create a game or combine multiple different games. Me and my friend, we decided to combine snakes and ladders, which is on the back of this, with Uno or Matatu.
Who won?
Me.
How?
See, first I had Tata in my house and I was here, like 1 away from my home. Then he got 6 after 6 after 6. And then after he got his piece back, took it all around mpaka he reached here. And I was still here from when he had begun here.
Yeah.
So then after we were in a battle, I needed a 1 and he needed a 2. Immediately, I get the 1.
Oh my God. Luck was on your side. Tata, what do you feel like?
I don't feel so much at loss. Nange nwanyeko, I got out of jail. I went to my house, I got out of my house, fought. Paka, akigudeko emu kusatu. You know, I missed by 3 and 1 by 1. So it was a manly fight, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was a good game.
Did you know Shadrach knows how to play Ludo?
Atene ebigambo byayogera byagetwa.
Tata,
Right.
don't you think it's time to revise the school we take Shadrach to? He said, did you hear what he said? He said they play Ludo at school.
Yeah, which is a good thing actually. Singa bazanya Ludo n'omweso muganda ne matatu, that's okay. But also, do you guys play do you play duru? Tomanyi kuzanya duru tope. I think you should learn it. I'll teach you the game. It's a ground game.
How do you feel beating Tata?
I feel good. First he wanted to spare me and then I told him I want a fair game because if I win and he tells me I spared you on this part and I spared you on this part, I wouldn't feel like I actually won. But now I won by 2. So close.
Yeah,
Probability was on my side.
Yeah.
you were just lucky.
Yeah.
Ow! Wait, you're even stepping on me! Yeah! Ah! So this is an open space where you can just chill. And then, Mama, come this side. And then here is a tunnel where you can walk and you can get stuck. Like me, if you're very tall, you can get stuck. That is where there's another back of stairs. Don't mind this too. Here is another slide, but it's wet, so I can't go down. Come on, let's go. This is cool. Okay, now come on. Done.
Chewagula lizalenka mbogo yange no chewagula lizalenka mbwe masitamu chewagula lizalenka mbogo yange no chewagula lizalenka mbogo chewagula lizalenka mbogo yange no chewagula lizalenka ya chana cha mbogo senge alichikwatako senge sengula senge chana cha mbogo alichikwatako senge sengula senge mbogo chewagula lizalenka mbogo yange no chewagula liza olaba lwaki zitutunizira babaganda bazo mwe namagembe
weyanjule nna
tuli bana bambogonze kyagulanyise bagulanyise ntamu mitembo mundaba zitegede ono bamuyita Nakai.
Oh, right, so don't put me in your
Can't imagine. Se mambo se sanga.
Look at the ears. Let's go, Dad.
My first time seeing a waterfall.
It's not your first time.
Se mambo. It's approving. Se sanga. It's not charging to us.
Tata, go. Oh my God, Tata, go. Tata, go.
It's chasing us.
Go.
For real. Yes, it's chasing us. Yes. Yes, it's coming. There's another one here. There's another one here.
Hallelujah.
There's another one here.
Oh my God.
This is enough.
Screenshot, there's so many.
This is enough.
Tata, let's go.
Why don't you do shalom?
No, it was chasing us.
Bring it on, yo.
You people, if you have not visited Uganda, you are doing a wrong mistake. See the beautiful, hey, look. Today is a beautiful day. The sunshine has sun shone. The waterfall also has water flew. The other water is falling, another one is slipping down. Which other country will you find this? The Baganda have a saying which says that atanaita itayatenda nyino kufumba. That one whom has not passed away, you praise your mother the cooking. But you come when you see Uganda, you say, God can create.
Good job, Mama.
Thank you.
Olwavudde waka be naleseeyo baasigadde mu musomo gwa patriotism okwagala eggwanga lyaffe musomo mulamba ewange. Bwe navudde ku mulimu ate nasanze bamaliriza classes ne banyongera emirimu emirala.
8 hours later.
Good job, Mama.
Thank you.
Nakedde kujja kukola kano kaddiko nga bwe mukalaba. Naye ngenza okuva eka ng'omwana alina kye yabadde ansabye mmukolere. Ne mugamba ngumikirizeemu. Mala okuva ku mulimu. Nja kujja nkikole. Munnange mbadde wano nga neetala. Nga lwaki muganda w'omwana oyo tansindikira vidiyo nga ndaga nti nze kye nagambye nja kujja nkole nga nzizeeyo eka. Lwaki tandaga vidiyo nga taata yali mu kukinkolera? Suubi yayoza jiini ye, empale ya jiini n'agyanika ku waya, n'agyanika wano ku paati waya we bagigattira. bwe yali ajanula waya neeyuza ku jiini eyo bw'agiyuza n'agindeetera jiini mbumutungire wali awayulise nemugamba Suubi nkwegayiridde ngumiikiriza mujja kujja nkole ki ngitunge munnange nvudde eka nga bya mirembe bya bulungi naye olowooza omwana takutte jiini n'agitwalira taata we n'agiwa taata we agimutungire okumulaga nti nze ndi incompetent. Kakati bakyala bannange kano akaana mulowooza situuse kukayisaamu mpi lwaki koonoona erinnya lyange wa taata waako.
Lizalenka mbogo yange no chewagula lizalenka mbwe masentamu chewagula lizalenka mbogo yange no chewagula lizalenka mbogo chewagula lizalenka mbogo yange no chewagula lizalenka ya chana cha mbogo senge alichikwatako senge sengula senge chana cha mbogo alichikwatako senge sengula senge mbogo chewagula lizalenka mbogo yange no chewagula liza olaba lwaki zitutunizira babaganda bazo mwe namagembe tuli baana ba mbogo nze kyagulanyise bagulanyise entamu mitembo mundaba zitegete ono bamuyita Nakai.
Oh, bye, Tata, don't put me in your
Can't imagine. Se mambo se sanga.
Let's go, Dad.
My first time seeing that elephant.
It's not your first time.
Se mambo. It's approving. Se sanga. It's not charging to us.
Tata, go, Tata, go, Tata, go, Tata, go. Oh my God, Tata, go. Tata, go.
It's chasing us.
Oh my God, go.
Yes, it's chasing us. Yes. Yes, it's coming. There's another one here. There's another one here.
Hallelujah.
There's another one here.
Oh my God.
This is no.
Don't shut, there's so many.
This is no.
Tata, let's go.
Why don't you do shalom?
No, it was chasing us.
Bring it on, yo. How do you range the smartness in your class?
Like who's the first, who's the second, and who's the third?
Yeah.
I'm the third, Segya is the first, Ryan is the second.
Who is Segya? Who are those? Tell me about those guys.
Segya is a border. His full name is Segya Alpha AJ.
AJ.
That's the short of his name. He's a border and he always spends his time sometimes in the dormitory. He's a very smart boy. He just answers for like university.
Like university?
And Ryan, he's also a genius. Every time they compete to see who raises up the hand the fastest. Ryan's like this, teacher me. And so he was like this, teacher, here I am, teacher.
And you? Why do you hide? I mean, you're the third smartest. At least you should raise like this. But not hiding.
No, but Tata, I know the answers. I know the answers in a full sentence. I know the answers correctly in my mind. Fact, Seguya and Ryan, they do not know the answers. They're just putting up their hands because the teacher picks them, and they give a wrong answer. They think that they'll get a sweet.
Okay, tell me, is there a time that Seguya has ever failed to give the correct answer and you succeed? Really?
Yeah, they asked him what is a family. He said a family is a group of people living and working together. But that was wrong. That was our community. But I raised up my hand and I said a family is a group of people related by blood, marriage, or adoption. You got a sticker.
You're smart, eh? You got a sticker. Oh, I can.
Book.
Okay.
But you should improve on your hand raising in class.
I have a good handwriting.
No, hand
raising.
What Mama says, is that when the boys put up their hands, you put up yours too.
Confidently.
You know, it makes the rest of the girls also confident. It shouldn't be just a boy competition, you know.
I raise up my hand like this. Teacher me. But mostly reading, I mostly do not put my hand up. Because the work is hard.
What work?
Like she gives opposites, but those are not the nice opposites. Like
opposites.
Like yes, she gives the word picture. People are failing it like nothing.
The word picture.
No, the word picture is opposite.
Opposite or open?
Opposite.
So what is the hardest word to read?
Photosynthesis.
Abalungi abatuuliriza era abatulaba olunaku olwaleero tukyaddeko ewa Sheikh Asiraf Dembe.
Sebo sanyusa okubalaba amannya agange Seeka Asiraf Dembe akola ku bizibu by'enjawulo. Omuntu singa aba alina ebirwadde musomereddwa tunywa amazzi ga lukuya nga bw'obadde ogalaba tugenda abantu ku kyoto ne twokya emizimu emibi egibabaamu n'okulomba edduwa. Abantu singa abeera ng'ali wano atuuse sobola okumulombera edduwa ne waba atatuuse nga mpadde amannya ge naye ng'ali wala maneetaaze. Enamba yange yeno eri 0701763711. Namwe bannyinaffe abali ebweru oyagala okuba nti oyagala okulombera ku dduwa ng'olina ebizibu viza zibuze amaka gakolongotana sente zikola zimpita mu ngalo ojja kumpeereza ekifaananyi kyo n'amanyago ebyo byokka bijja kummala nja kukulombera edduwa ojja kutereera. Olunaku olusembayo mu mwezi mba n'edduwa ey'awamu ffenna n'abalwadde bange abakadde n'abapya. Salaamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.